You know what I think? The more genuinely confident a person is, the more respectful they become. Totoo yan. Kapag secure ka sa sarili mo, hindi mo kailangan mang-insulto, mang-maliit, magpakitang gilas, para lang maramdaman mong angat ka. You don't need to prove your worth by making someone else feel small. Pero kapag may kapangyarihan ng isang tao at ginagamit nila yon para maging bastos o mapang-api, I don't see confidence. I see conceit. I see insecurity, wearing expensive clothes. Minsan, ang pagiging toxic ay nagiging defense mechanism. Hindi man nila sinasadya o napapansin. Parang lagi nilang sinusukat ang mga tao sa paligid nila. Sino ang mas mababa, sino ang mas mahina, sino ang pwedeng baliwalain. At kapag may taong nagsasalita, nagbibigay ng opinion o nagcha-challenge sa kanila, agad silang nagiging defensive or offensive. Hindi dahil mali yung kausap nila, kundi dahil pakiramdam nila, inatake yung image nilang pilit nilang pinoprotektahan. Real confidence doesn't need to dominate the room. It doesn't need to be the loudest voice. It doesn't need to win every argument. Real confidence is calm, it listens, it stays respectful, even when it disagrees. So if you want to know how confident someone really is, don't just look at how they treat people. Watch how they treat those who have nothing to offer.